Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpan here, and welcome to another layout update. And right here, this is also going to be a layout update of what I've been doing to the layout, because I've done quite a number of things and also got a couple new stuff that's brand new here. So starting off, we'll start with some of the new stuff I have. I don't have any new locomotives I would like to share with you guys. I only have some new rolling stock. So the first stop I want to share with you guys is this Walter's Proto tank car. This is a 55-foot Trinity modified tank car, so it's basically a tank car that has the head shields, quite similar to ones that Train does. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice freight car. It's got some good details, like the placard details. It's really nice. Let me zoom that in. There we go. The trucks do not, bearing caps do not rotate, so it's pretty cool. It's got some great details on the head shields, and there's the placard again. It's got the Protomax couplers. I know these are not the correct couplers you see on tank cars, but I don't really mind very much. And here's some more detail. My example is the PPRLX, so it's basically this one right here. Con or Coil Phillips. I do apologize if I pronounced that wrong. So it's a pretty nice car. I actually picked this up at my local hobby shop. So didn't get it for a discount. I got it for like, it was like $45. So I don't think it's too bad. I mean, it was much cheaper than those Train's rivet counter tank cars that they have. So I'll show you the top detail wise. Absolutely stunning, and I'll show you this side. And yes, these things are metal. So that's actually one of the best things for the Walter's Proto tank cars. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, so that's one car to show you guys. Next up is another Trinity 3,445 gallon tank car. So this is another one. I think this is cool. So as you can see, these tank cars are much different from each other besides the head shields. Because I notice the top parts are different from each other. So, but this one does not have the placard on it. But I'm just going to use this as a support like the crude oil trains. It's got detail wise. It's got lots of great detail on the bottom here. That's similar to this one. I'll show you the other side. Lots of great detail right here. And I love the safety striping on them. Absolutely stunning detail on these cars. So this example is in the TILX scheme. So after all, these are really good cars. I actually got both of these cars because I'm gonna be bringing back the oil train, because I haven't been collecting these cars for a long time. So I'm looking forward to getting more, because I think I might need maybe at least 9 or 10 more of these to complete the whole set. That'll end like somewhere right here. So it's just pretty cool. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna set these out the side. So some cars I might get a couple of Train's operators because they're cheaper and with lesser details, even though they got the plastic detailing, but it won't bother me. So yeah. Alright, so that's the tank cars. So moving on, I also have two more new Walter's Mainline 59-foot cylindrical hoppers. I got the CP rail in the gray and another Alberta one. Both of these I got for my birthday, which is pretty nice because my birthday was on the 16th of November, which was a Monday. So I was actually really surprised I got these. I didn't get any new locomotives, which didn't bother me. I'm totally fine. So they're actually really nice cars. And I feel like these are actually one of the best selling cars, because as you know, you'll see these anywhere, like on CP or the CN and all that. So yeah, they're really cool, really nice detail wise. So yeah, so that's basically going to sum up my new freight cars I have. It's pretty nice how all of them are Walter's cars. I'm really impressed. So yeah, now let's move on to see what I've been doing to the layout lately. Alright, so moving on to some track work I've done lately. So one thing I want to show you guys is this new bridge that I just got. This is a Bachmann bridge. It's like a glider bridge of some sorts. So it's a steel alloy. It's really nice because I think Bachmann only sells this in steel alloy, so it's really nice. You can see the detail wise in between the rails. I'll show you guys that. some detail lines up here. Detail. And here's like another view of it, you see. So yeah, it's actually a really stunning bridge. I'm actually really glad I got this. It was like $30, so really nice bridge. But I think I can find some better discounts like on Amazon and all that stuff. So it fits really nicely because it can make it nicely. I've actually been wanting to get like a bridge for a long time to see how it looks. So there we go. There's how it is. Alright, so with that said, let's move on. So right here, I actually got some parts of the yard that I'm working on. Because I also have some new track. I just got some, like the connectors, like the shorter track, and then some switch track that I use for the yard. And I put my Amtrak River Runner in the siding. So it goes out here. And here's just some temporary flex track I have. And it goes out here. That's the amount I have. And here's the extra track extra black track that I used to have that used to be right here where the bridge is, as you can see. So I put it here now. So it's pretty nice. So the yard's pretty coming along really well. So I'll probably think about like getting more switches. Like I'll probably get like maybe 4 more switches here, and then a couple more that'll go out here, and then we'll make the sidings for the yard. It'll like start here, make the sidings, it'll go out here, and such. It'll look really nice, you know. So I'm actually looking forward to getting the yard completed. So that'll probably get the yard finished somewhere around 2021. So I look forward to that. And another cool thing is, I finally got the passing sidings finished. As you can see here, I have this track switch right here. This is actually a number switch 6 turnout. Oh yeah, number 6 turnout. It goes out here. It goes out all the way out here. It's all done. So it works out pretty nice. I think it turned out really well. So you can see I can just set the points. It's pretty nice. And here's I got my BNSF train waiting and such. So it goes out here. So it's pretty nice. And then probably once I finish the yard, I'll definitely get the engine facility. Get tracks for the engine facility. And then finally all the track is done. So it's going to be a while, so I'll probably get the entire track plan finished by like 2021, so and all that, so it's coming out really well. I'm glad I've been doing a lot of work lately to the layout. So yeah. So anyways, that's basically going to wrap it up for the layout update. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll leave you guys with 2 run-bys of the new rolling stock, and as well as the bridge action here. So yeah, I'll just run the CP train and the BNSF train, and then that'll end the video. So hope you guys enjoyed the layout update. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.